let's see if we can solve this system. To do so, we'll use the method of elimination by addition. And the way I like to do this is I'm going to start by eliminating y, and that will get me x. So let's try this. To eliminate y, we want both these coefficients of the y's to be opposites. So just think about this. What is the smallest number both these coefficients will divide into? I think it's 24. So what we're going to do is we'll turn these into 24s, and I can do that with this multiplication. I'm going to multiply the top equation by 8, so 8 times equation 1 plus 3 times equation 2. Doing so 8 times the first equation, that'll give me a positive 24y here, and 3 times the second equation give me negative 24, and when I add those together, I get 0 y's, and the y's are gone. So let's see what it looks like. Run an 8 through the entire first equation, so multiplying everything in the first equation by 8, we will get 32x plus 24y equals 16. Let's just check that. So 8 times everything, 32, 24, 16. Got it. And everything in the second equation by 3. So multiply 5, we'll get 15x minus 24y equals negative 9. I'm going to add these together. So 32x and 15x is 47x. 24y minus 24y is 0y. The y's are gone. And 16 minus 9 is 7. And now what we've done is we started with 2 equations and 2 variables. We used some multiplication and addition, and we eliminated 1 equation, 1 variable. And now what we have left is 1 equation with 1 variable, which we can easily solve by dividing by 47. So we'll get x equals 7 over 47. So that gives us x. And now we still need to get y. So let's just do something similar to what we just did. Let's eliminate x and get y. So to eliminate x, we want these coefficients of the x's to be the same. So we can do that by doing this. Notice that these coefficients, the 4 and 5, the smallest number they divide into is 20. So we'll make them 20s. But they have the same sign, so we need one of them to be negative. And I'll choose the first one to be negative. It just makes it easier for me. So what I'll do is instead of multiplying by 5, I'll multiply by negative 5. So negative 5 times equation 1 plus 4 times equation 2. Let's do it. So negative 5 times equation 1 will give us negative 20x minus 15y equals negative 10. And 4 times equation 2 is positive 20x minus 32y equals negative 12. We'll add these together. Negative 20x plus 20x is 0x. The x's are gone. Negative 15y minus 32y is negative 47y equals negative 10 minus 12 is negative 22. Divide, we'll get y equals negative divided by negative is positive. We'll get 22 over 47. So let's just summarize. So x is equal to 7 over 47, and y is equal to 22 over 47. And if we think geometrically, if we were to graph these two lines, they would intersect right at that point.